In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put your Shopify store under construction coming soon. If you're getting your products, design, or settings ready and you're not quite ready for customers to browse, this quick setup will let you hide your storefront behind a simple under construction screen while you keep working in the background. First, open your Shopify store by signing into your Shopify admin. You'll land on the main dashboard where you manage everything. Make sure you're in the correct store if you have multiple accounts, and give the page a second to fully load so all the navigation options appear. Next, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Online Store. This is your sales channel for the public-facing website. When you open it, you'll see options like themes, blog posts, navigation, and more. We're heading to the settings that control what visitors see before your site is published. Now click Preferences. This area contains important options for your storefront, including SEO settings and, most importantly for today, password protection. Scroll until you find the section labeled Password Protection. This is where you'll put the store into an under construction or coming soon mode. Here, enter a password. This is the code people will need to access your store while it's hidden. Choose something you can share with your team or testers, but avoid anything sensitive. You can change or remove it at any time, so don't stress if you want to update it later. Keep it somewhere safe so you don't lose track of what you've set. Right below the password field, there's a message box for visitors. Type your message here so customers know what's happening. Go ahead and enter Store Under Construction. You can keep it short and clear. For example, Store Under Construction, please check back soon. This message appears on the password page, letting people know the site isn't live yet while still looking professional. When you're done, click Save. The Save button is usually at the top or bottom of the page, and once you click it, the changes apply right away. From this point on, anyone visiting your storefront will see the Store Under Construction message and the password field, while you can continue setting up products, customizing your theme, and testing behind the scenes. That's all you need to put your Shopify store under construction. When you're ready to launch publicly, return to the same preferences area and remove the password so your storefront becomes visible to everyone. Thanks for watching and happy building.